Here's a pair of the T12 earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to an Android phone. The Android phone that I'm using here is the Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus. So go ahead and take the earbuds out of the case. And as soon as you take them out of the case, look on the back here and you'll know that it's in pairing mode if one of them is blinking green. Okay, none of mine here is blinking green. I don't see nothing blinking here. The reason is because I'm connected to another device here, connected to my iPhone. So let me go to my iPhone first. Let me go to settings. Let me go to Bluetooth here. Oops. Bluetooth. And then you can see I'm connected here. I can turn the Bluetooth off, disconnect, or I can delete it from my pairing list here. Let me just turn off Bluetooth. As soon as I do that, look at the earbuds. I'm going to turn it off and look at the earbuds. So one of them is blinking green, as you can see. So that's what we want. Okay, so now it's in pairing mode. Let's go to our Android phone here, and we're going to go directly to settings. We'll go to connections, go to Bluetooth, make sure Bluetooth is on. So we're going to tap on Bluetooth there. And that little spinny thing there is searching for devices that's in pairing mode under available devices, okay? It's still in pairing mode, it's blinking green on just one of the earbuds, and I see the T12 right there. Let's tap on that. We should get a pairing request for Android phones. Tap on pair. And voila, we're connected, ready to go. Now, if you had any kind of issue putting in pairing mode or connecting or pairing problems, you can always factory reset these if you need to do that. Look in below in the link in the description below.